Olga, and today I got a wonderful vegetable curry for you. Okra curry, known as Bhindi. Beautiful vegetable curry it is. Stay with me guys and I'll show you how it's done. Okay guys, for this I'm going to need half a cup of oil. Once you put your oil in and then just put your okra in, the bhindi. Wonderful dishes guys. You'll cook these on a medium heat until they're a nice golden brown. Okay, these are going a nice golden brown now. I've been stirring them in between so they get done evenly all around. Okay, now these are nice golden brown. I'll take these out and I'll leave that oil in. I'm going to stick the onions in that oil. Okay, the oil's hot, so I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Okay, after adding the cumin seeds in, I'm going to add the onions in straight away because the oil's quite hot. And I've got some green cut chilies, cut them long ways, about 6 chilies, and about 2 cut onions. I want to cook the onions now until they're a nice golden brown. It takes only a few minutes, literally, because the oil was already hot. Okay, the onions are gone a nice golden brown, a light brown. I don't want to go too dark because they don't look nice in the dish then. And now I'm going to add in 2 big tomatoes, 2 large tomatoes cut up. Give it a mix until they virtually go nice and soft. When I give it a mix, I'm just going to add some herbs and spices in. Okay, now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of dried coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala. I'm just putting half a teaspoon of each virtually because we don't want to put too much herbs and spices in this. Tastes nice without them. Half a teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, also known as kasuri methi. Okay, I'm going to give this a mix now. Make sure all them few herbs and spices are nicely mixed into it. Look at the colour, look at that. It's wonderful already, without the okra in it. Smells lovely as well. Beautiful dish. Okay, now I'll give it a good mix and all the herbs and spices are mixed in with the onions and the tomatoes. I'm going to put the okra back in now. Put the okra back in. Give it a mix, nice mix. Okay, once I put the okra in, I've turned it to low heat as well. Because the okra was virtually ready anyway and it'll get cooked a bit more in this now. Okay, once I give it a mix, let it cook for a bit and then I'm going to add some mixed pickles in a jar. Makes the dish taste wonderful. I just give this a go once and it tasted beautiful, so I thought I'd share it with you. It just tastes awesome with this jar in it, the mixed pickles. Okay, once I put the pickles in, I just let it cook for a few minutes. About 3-4 minutes actually, and then that's it. I'm going to turn it off, add some coriander into it, about half a cup, give it a mix. Wow, amazing dish. That's it, take it out and it's done. Look at that. Mashallah guys, the bhindi is ready. The okra dish, wonderful dish, quick and easy. Wonderful dish guys, absolute amazing. It tastes even better with the pickles in the jar. Give it a go guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.